Welcome to MathSolve. In this video, we are going to learn how to graph linear equation, and for that we are just taking two linear equations which are x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, and let's say you are taking another equation which is uh, y equal to x over 3 plus 1. So one equation is in a general form, the second equation in the gradient intercept form. We already discussed this in the previous video. So now we are trying to plot both equation into the same plane as we have xy plane already here. Now, as you know that whenever we are dealing any kind of function or equations to graph, we used to go with the table of values like x, y, and then we used to do x equal to 0, minus 1, minus 2, and then 1, 2. We used to take these five x values and we always calculate the corresponding y values and then plot the graph. And we used to, the more values is better to get the exact shape, especially when you are plotting a parabolic graph or cubic graph or any other graphs. But for the straight line, we don't really need 5 points. So in order to save our time, we can just only work with the 2 point, because you know that any straight line, if we get the 2 points, you can connect and extend the line to get the straight line. So we don't need really 5 points to get the straight line. So which 2 points we used to use? The line, if they intersect x and y axis, if they are not parallel to x and y axis, obviously they will be touching somewhere x and y axis, so that's called x intercept, y intercept. So in both cases we will deal with x intercept, y intercept. So when we are talking about the x intercept, for instance, for x intercept, okay, then we know that at x intercept, the line where it is touching to the x axis, there is no y, so y will be 0. And if y will be 0, for the first equation what will be x? We just need to substitute y equal to 0 into the equation. Then it will be x plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0, where you can just say x equal to 2. Same if I do the y intercept again, you know, it's a y axis intercept, and where x equal to 0. And if x equal to 0, and if you substitute that into the equation, it will be 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So 2y equal to 2, then y equal to 2 over 2, which is 1. Okay, now if I say how about the other one, if I use the second equation, then you can say for when y equal to 0, you can just substitute for x, y equal to 0, so I can write down it is x over 3 plus 1. So I can say x over 3 equal to minus 1. I'm moving plus 1 to the other side. Now you can say x equal to 3 times 1 is a 3, so minus 3 would be the x. And when we are doing the y-intercept, then you can say our x will be 0. So if you put x equal to 0 into the equation, then y will be 1. So it means if I draw that the second equation, let's say this is our second equation, this is our first equation, the second equation, then you know that our y-intercept is y equal to 1. So y equal to 1 is here, and our x-intercept is minus 3. Minus 3 is 1, 2, 3. So this is the point. And now we can just connect it. And if I do the connection, so you know that it is just adding these two line, adding these 2 point, and then you can extend in both sides. So that is the line, straight line for the first or second equation, for the second equation, right? Now similarly, if we do the first one, you know that x intercept, x equal to 2. So now if I use that x equal to 2, it's the x intercept, which is x equal to 2 is here, and then we are doing y equal to 1, and then y equal to 1 again is the same point. I can see y equal to 1. Now if I connect this, let's say we are just connecting from here, probably just doesn't matter where is a Okay, no, that's we are just trying to use there's the wrong color. Maybe this is the one. I'm just trying to pick that one and then add this line. Okay, so this is the line. The this line is the equation first one. So if I draw the first equation, it will give the line like that, which is passing x-intercept 2, y-intercept 1. And our second equation is x-intercept minus 3, which is here, and the y-intercept 3. So you can extend both direction because it's a straight line, so you can even put the arrow that it is extending, right? Even you can extend this one a little bit here, then it's arrow, so it's extending, right? So the other one is also you are extending in both direction. So that's how we can plot the straight line. We don't need actually 5 points. The 5 points is important if we want to see the how the shape is going like a cubic or parabola. But for the straight line, this is the straightforward. You can just use the x-intercept, y-intercept. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel to see more up-to-date videos.